Hello guys, so nandito tayo sa Honda Safety Driving Center. So this is the bike that we are going to use today. Actually, hindi naman tayo scheduled for that, right? We are here for the assessment, pero at least hopefully we can try it. Tingnan natin kung ano pa pwede natin ginamin. If I have the money, I'm gonna buy this one. Very good. So ito yung Honda XADV 700. Alright, so assessment muna tayo using the Rebel. The thing with Rebel kasi alright. Ang bilis. Hindi ko man lang na-enjoy.
Tingin ka na kung anong bike yung gagamitin mo. Meron tayo tatlong round.
ADV.
So pili ka na ng tatlong bike na pwede mong gamitin.
Alright. That one. So ito yung try natin subukan. Woo! The ADV. Yeah boy. Hello guys, so nandito tayo sa Honda Safety Driving Center. We are going to participate in a breakfast ride tomorrow, Saturday morning. But before then, sabi magpa-ride assessment muna tayo today, kasi manghihiram tayo ng big bike from Honda tomorrow. So ayun, nandito tayo ngayon sa Honda Safety Driving Center at nagkataon may test ride sila ng big bikes. So since nandito na rin lang naman tayo, why not mag-try din tayo ng kanilang big bikes. For today, we are going to try the XADV. At least hopefully we can try it. And tingnan natin kung ano pa pwede natin ginamin. Alright? Alright. Tapos start, no?
Start lang dito, ha?
Pero side stand, yeah.
So, drive.
Alright. Okay. So this is the bike that we are going to use today. Actually, hindi naman tayo scheduled for test ride. We are here for the assessment, pero since nandito na rin lang tayo, might as well try it. So this is the XADV. First time we're gonna try it. Paano ba to? Kalimutan ko na. Oh, drive neutral. Gas. Yeah, so nagsisimula na tayo. We're using the XADV. Grabe, lakas. Woo! Now we are using the automatic. Siya na mismo magsiset ng ng gearing. Lakas niya, ha? Ayos siya, right? Di ko alam kung may assist siya somehow. Nice. Parang gusto ko na ito, no? May pull talaga siya. You wouldn't suspect na hindi siya scooter, eh. Alam mo yun? It feels very much like a manual bike na at a convenience ng scooter. Woo! Sarap. Maganda rin siya sa standing position. So okay, very good. Let's try it. Very good. Maganda siya yung ano, maganda yung pickup niya. Well, in a way kasi may pagka-manual pa rin siya. Sarap. Ayan, no? Lalo na pag first gear. Woo! Woo-hoo-hoo! Nice one. Has a very good pickup. At yung suspension niya hindi ko masyadong maramdaman, pero the cushion, yung seat cushion, napakalambot. So I could feel na ina-absorb niya yung puwet ko talaga. Grabe. Firm siya pero malambot. So alam mo yun, firm na malambot no? Pero hindi, firm siya in a way na tipong solid yung feel. But then pag there's bumps, ramdam mong lumulubog yung ano, lumulubog yung puwet mo eh. Kaya very good in cushioning. Sarap. Napakasarap. Oops. Very nice one. Woo. Yeah. Woo. Nice bike. Very nice bike. Talaga lang, if I have the money, I'm gonna buy this one. Very good. This, ito yung Honda XADV 700. Sarap, grabe. Can I borrow this one? Putang bigat. Manual to?
Manual po yan. Manual yan sir, manual.
Alright.
Ito po yung...
Alright, so manual tayo. Africa Twin na manual. Bigat. We're not used to having a bike like this, yung ganito kabigat. Very stable siya pero nakakatakot lang yung bigat niya. It's very top heavy. Ramdam na ramdam mo. Woo! Malakas siya eh. Lugar, nice. Hindi ko na sinusundan yung lane. Lakas ang hatak na ito. Pero kahit naman ano, kahit na mabigat siya, very easy to steer. Huwag lang ako masobrahan na steer, baka bumagsak. Pero ang dali eh. I don't know the tech that goes in this bike. Sarap. Woo! Tapos napaka convenient niya, napaka easy na tumayo. Kasi napaka ramdam mo yung stability niya somehow. Yeah. All right. Very good. Woo. Tapos na tayo. Yung assessment natin naging test ride. Well, it's really good kasi matagal na natin gustong subukan yung XADV. At last na try na natin. But anyway, I'm going home now. Tomorrow, breakfast ride tayo. Dito ulit tayo sa Honda Safety Driving Center. So see you tomorrow.